Curious if the DJI Mini 5 Pro is worth the wait? In today's video, we're unpacking all the latest leaks and rumors about this highly anticipated drone. From potential features to the expected release date, we'll break it all down so you know whether the Mini 5 Pro is the right upgrade for you. If drones are your thing or if you're just interested in cutting-edge tech, stick around. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest drone news and updates. It only takes a second, and you'll always be the first to know when we drop new content. Now, let's dive into what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro so exciting. It's rumored to launch in December, sparking plenty of discussion among drone enthusiasts. If you followed the Mini series, you know that every new model brings notable improvements. The Mini 5 Pro is no exception, with some impressive enhancements that could make it the best Mini yet. A major upgrade we're expecting is the camera system. While previous models had solid video capabilities, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to support 4,000 recording at 60 frames per second. This is a game changer for anyone capturing high-quality footage, whether for travel vlogs, professional work, or personal projects. Battery life is another key improvement. Reports suggest the Mini 5 Pro could offer up to 35 minutes of flight time and upgrade over the Mini 4's 30 minutes. If you enjoy long flight sessions without frequent battery swaps, this enhancement could be a big win. More flight time means more opportunities to capture the perfect shot. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us bring you more content like this. Also, drop a comment below and let us know what feature excites you most about the Mini 5 Pro. Now, let's dig deeper into these features. Starting with the camera, the Mini 5 Pro's rumored 4K at 60 FPS capability marks a significant step up from the Mini 4's 2.7K resolution. This improvement will make a noticeable difference, especially for those shooting dynamic scenes or aiming for professional-grade footage. The enhanced frame rate ensures smoother motion, whether you're capturing fast-paced action or cinematic aerial shots. Plus, the improved sensor is expected to handle various lighting conditions better, giving you stunning visuals at any time of day. Moving on to battery life, the Mini 5 Pro's rumored 35-minute flight duration may not seem like a drastic increase, but every extra minute in the air counts. More battery life means extended shooting sessions, greater coverage of landscapes, and less need for spare batteries. This longer flight time makes the Mini 5 Pro a reliable companion for outdoor adventures, professional shoots, or casual flights where every second matters. Another exciting potential feature is an upgraded obstacle avoidance system. The Mini 5 Pro is said to include sensors on multiple sides, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles more effectively. This would be a major advantage for beginners or anyone flying in complex environments with trees, buildings, or other hazards. Let's quickly weigh the pros and cons of this drone. On the plus side, the upgraded 4K camera, extended battery life, and improved obstacle detection make it a strong choice for drone enthusiasts. If high-quality video, longer flight times, and safer flights matter to you, this could be a great option. However, there are some factors to consider. The price might be higher compared to entry-level drones, which could be a drawback for beginners on a budget. Additionally, while the camera is significantly improved, it may not compete with higher-end models like the DJI Air 2S, which offers a larger sensor and better zoom capabilities. Want to know how it compares to other drones? Make sure to subscribe, as we'll be covering more comparisons soon. When looking at the Mini 5 Pro alongside previous models, it stands out in key areas, especially camera performance and battery life. Compared to the Mini 4, the Mini 5 Pro offers noticeable upgrades, making it a worthy successor. But if you're considering drones like the DJI Air 2S, keep in mind that while the Mini 5 Pro packs a punch, it lacks some advanced flight modes and extended range found in premium models. The Air 2S, for instance, features 5.4K video and a larger sensor, providing superior image quality. However, for those who prioritize portability, the Mini 5 Pro offers a compelling mix of performance and convenience at a more affordable price. So, who is the Mini 5 Pro best for? If you're into aerial photography or videography, this drone offers a fantastic balance of quality and usability. It's compact, easy to fly, and packed with features that both beginners and experienced pilots will appreciate. The improved sensors and enhanced camera system make it a great choice for those looking to elevate their drone skills. However, if you need top-tier camera performance or the longest flight range, you might want to explore higher-end models. If you're excited about the Mini 5 Pro, let us know in the comments which feature interests you most. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more drone news, reviews, and comparisons. Before we wrap up, let's touch on one more important aspect: portability. DJI's Mini series is known for its compact and lightweight design, making it an excellent option for travelers, vloggers, and hobbyists who need a drone that's easy to carry. The Mini 5 Pro continues this tradition, offering a portable yet powerful drone that doesn't compromise on performance. Whether you're on a hike, exploring a new city, or shooting content on the go, this drone is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Another rumored improvement is enhanced GPS functionality, which could lead to better flight stability and accuracy. This would be particularly useful in areas with weak satellite reception or environments where obstacles can interfere with signal strength. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to feature intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint navigation, making it easier than ever to capture dynamic footage. These features are great for content creators who want effortless, high-quality shots. DJI's remote controllers have always been top tier, and the Mini 5 Pro's controller is likely to include upgraded range and signal stability. This would mean a smoother flight experience, even in areas with interference. While it may not have the advanced features of premium models, the Mini 5 Pro offers an excellent balance of price, performance, and portability, making it a solid choice for those stepping into drone photography and videography. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed drone without the hefty price tag, this could be the perfect fit. DJI also has a strong track record for customer support and software updates, ensuring you get a smooth and up-to-date flying experience. With its upgraded camera, improved battery life, and better obstacle detection, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting release. If you're considering adding it to your drone collection, keep an eye out for official announcements. Be sure to subscribe for more updates, and let us know in the comments what you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.